Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos on everything marine electronics related. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the cable on your Raymarine Ray215 hand mic using one of our replacement cables built here at Max Marine Electronics. Raymarine no longer supports this radio, nor do they sell parts for it. We designed and built this cable to ensure proper fitment with any Ray215 hand mic. This will not work for Ray230, Ray240, Ray260, or any other hand mic. We do have the Ray240 hand mic cable available for purchase. You will need a small flathead screwdriver, a small Phillips head screwdriver, silicone sealant, and the replacement cable. Remove the 4 screws from the back. Gently and evenly pry on the back half of the mic body until it is freed from the front half. Be cautious of the 2 wires that are soldered to the back half of the mic body. Be sure to take note of the orientation of the PTT button. Once it is loose, it can be removed and set aside for later. With the small flathead screwdriver, carefully unplug the mic cable. Gently pry the white connector towards you on one side of the plug until the plug is disconnected. Once disconnected, place one hand on the front half of the mic body and the other hand on the cable strain relief. Pull the cable strain relief in an upward motion directly away from the front half of the mic body. The main gasket should become loose in doing so. Remove the main gasket and mic cable as an assembly from the mic body. Take the Max Marine Ray215 mic cable and place the small white connector through the hole in the gasket. Place a small bead of silicone all the way around the top flange of the Max Marine replacement cable strain relief, then insert the cable into the gasket until it is flush. Place a small bead of silicone around the inner body flange of the front half of the mic body where the gasket sits. Pass the back half of the mic body through the face of the gasket. Install the gasket into the front half of the mic body around the gasket flange. Ensure that the gasket is pressed all the way down and that the 2 red PTT buttons are not depressed or caught on the gasket. Firmly press the strain relief into the base of the mic body. Verify the notch is facing downwards or towards the face of the microphone, or else the mic will not close properly. The notch should barely be visible. Plug the new cable into the connector. Add a bead of silicone to the notch of the strain relief body for good measure. Place the hard plastic PTT push button back into place by setting the pegs into the holes on the body of the mic. Place back half of mic body onto the front half and press firmly down around all edges. Put the 4 screws back into the back of the mic. You can now enjoy your Raymarine Ray215 mic.